Welcome to A Woman's World. I am Chris Eru. In an increasingly competitive world, it is important to stand out and be recognized. Having good etiquette can be that secret weapon. On today's issue, we examine the nitty-gritty of proper etiquette for women as they climb that corporate ladder in an otherwise male-dominated society.
With daunting statistics that show a far lower ratio of female executives to men, women need all the professional advantage they can garner. Good etiquette can give women that much required edge. This is according to a certified corporate image and business etiquette consultant who has been in the business of teaching women how to act in any given situation for a long time. To Janet, exhibiting good etiquette is simply a case of creating lasting first impressions.
It's about making a statement when you enter a room. It's about commanding respect when you speak to other people or people speak to you. It's about how you shake hands with people, how you communicate with people, how you make people feel comfortable around you, and that will draw people to you. Okay, it's about creating what I call a personal and a professional presence. It's all about branding. There's everything in the world today is all about branding, whether it's personal branding or corporate branding. You have to be able to be in a position where you are outclassing your competition or you are standing out from the crowd.
In a world that is fiercely competitive, she says women cannot afford to be void of good business etiquette, as the business world can be blind to gender.
When it comes to business etiquette, it's a gender-neutral environment. Nobody recognizes that you're a woman or not. We recognize you as a leader. And as a leader, there are leadership traits that are specific for everybody. They're not gender specific. So if you are a leader and you're a lady and you have a lot of subordinates who could be male, you have to project some air of confidence in you such that they will look up to you and give you the respect that is due to you because you are their boss. Okay, it's all about your presence, your countenance, the way you carry yourself. A lot of ladies do not realize that etiquette will tell somebody your status, your level of education, and definitely your exposure.
Like the popular saying, the way you are dressed is the way you will be addressed. Good etiquette most often starts with one's dressing.
So some colors have a psychological effect on people. You speak red, scarlet red, fear, or to other people that are dark, red brings their color out even better. Do you understand? So psychology is important when choosing what to wear to work. So if you want to choose a suit to wear, it's important that you understand whether you are trying to look authoritative or approachable. The corporate colors that are very important at work are black, navy blue, charcoal gray are very important corporate colors because they make you look authoritative. Okay, it's when you want to look approachable, then you tone it down a lot more with some more lighter shades like cream or beige.
She instructs women on the ABC of good etiquette.
Appearance, behavior, and communication are the key three things that every woman needs to know in order for her to succeed in life in general.
Learning proper etiquette helps instill confidence in a woman. That alone makes her even more attractive.
Your entrance, your presence must make a statement. For example, in this room, if a CEO should walk in, heads should turn. There must be something about that CEO, man or woman alike, that definitely commands some kind of respect. So she comes in, her demeanor is good. She starts greeting everybody. She talks confidently. She brings out her hand to shake. When she talks, she makes you feel comfortable. When she talks with a lot of credibility, with common sense. She knows what she's saying. She's very knowledgeable. Her level of education, you can see it all about her, and she's exposed. Now, if you do that, you have professional presence. You can sit in a boardroom and be the only female. You will certainly talk and be respected as well. It starts from the moment you walk into that boardroom and you sit down. But if you walk into that boardroom with your head down, feeling very sympathetic for yourself, you're already warding eyes off you. People will not recognize who you are. You sat down, you didn't bother to greet other people, or you greeted them in a very casual way. you are already sidelining yourself. You have to project confidence in anything and everything you do for you to get recognition.
Fair or not, women are judged more by their appearance, which is why Janet advises women against being sloppy with their looks.
If you go to work with your bedroom face, and that is you woke up in the morning, you just got dressed and you walked out of the house, it means that your grooming sense is very poor. Your standards for yourself are equally very poor. And they now tend to look at your poor grooming as tantamount to the way you deal with your work. So you have a project because your grooming skills are below standard and your attitude towards your own grooming skills are not that great. They now tantamount to look as if this is how the approach to work will be. So if they can't take care of the small details when it comes to grooming, then what are they going to do with business?
It is wise to note, however, that while there are many common rules guiding professional manners, different cultures have their unique differences.
Etiquette has a lot of religion, imbibed in it as well. So I wouldn't tell you that you should shake hands like this all the time. I would tell you to be very, very conversant of the area that you're in. In Kenya, for example, now, shaking hands is, a lot of these pictures are from Kenya, is normal, because they operate like a British system. In Ghana, for example, if you walk into a room with people, there's a process where you need to shake everybody's hand in that room, starting from the left to the right. That's protocol in Ghana.
Whatever your personal definition of professional manners, these common courtesies are timeless and always expected from a courteous professional woman.